On this episode of Charged Up with host Tesla Dan, we dive into the latest buzz surrounding the highly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck. The Cybertruck has been making waves ever since its dramatic unveiling back in 2019, and now it seems that the film crew has been spotted capturing the beast in all its glory. With heightened security and excitement building up, it's clear that Tesla is gearing up for a grand launch event in the coming weeks. This event will undoubtedly mark a significant milestone for Tesla and the automotive industry as a whole. The Cybertruck's unique design and groundbreaking features are set to revolutionize the way we perceive electric vehicles. As we eagerly await the official launch, we can't help but wonder what surprises Elon Musk and his team have in store for us. Will there be any last-minute enhancements or new features that have yet to be revealed? Only time will tell. Join us as we analyze the latest developments surrounding the Tesla Cybertruck and discuss the impact it will have on the future of transportation. This is an episode you won't want to miss. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aronoff and Mogul Media AI.